everyone, my name is Mohanty. Today I'm going to talk about my experience of the Kids Coding Summer Camp. I heard about these coding classes for age group 9 to 14. As I only turned 8 in May, I asked my dad to check with Rushme if I could attend. As Rushme knew, I have done some Scratch programming at home, and after a while she agreed. I was super excited. Now I could write code and make my own games. Our teacher was David Scott, and the software we used was Game Maker Studio 2. So the classes were 3 days and 2.5 hours each. And the class was a small group of 4, and it was easier to interact. And our classes were online, and we used Zoom just because of the coronavirus lockdown. The main thing we do in Zoom is screen sharing. For example, David uses screen sharing is to show the class what code to write next. Well, the students use the screen sharing is to show David if there was a problem or ask him if the game's okay. On the first day, we learned the basics of Game Maker Studio 2. We also did basic setups, including making sprites and objects. On the second day, we built up on the object. We made rooms and background. For example, making a game over background. On the third day, we put this all together to make the game work. We added some code so that the enemies try to fall on top of the player, and when the player collides with them, there's a game over screen. When you click enter, you can restart and you can see a score below. David also sent us some code so we can move up and down and others to improve the game. On only 3 classes, we were able to make our own game starting from scratch. I really enjoyed it, and I'm going to try and improve my games on the summer holiday. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye!